How to remove or delete Cash App transaction history. So you cannot permanently delete or remove Cash App transaction history. Cash App keeps all your transactions for security and tax purposes. So there is no official feature to erase your history. However, you can hide transaction from the home feed. You can archive or hide a transaction from your main feed. For that, you just need to go to your Activity tab and select the transaction you want to hide. This only hides it from your main screen, but the transaction will still exist on the Cash App server and statements. To back up your Cash App history, you can simply log into your Cash App account, go to your activity page and download all your transaction history. As you can see here on the screen, go to activity and download your statements. Some things you do need to remember is that you cannot fully erase completed transaction from Cash App. Hiding is only visual and the company keeps all records. If you attempt to trick the system to delete transaction, it is illegal and can get your account banned. So that's all for today. Thank you.